Well, hello, stock watchers, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm your host, Cathy Rankin, and for Thursday, March 6th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets. Today's headline news is brought to you by Material Technologies Incorporated. Material Technologies holds exclusive patent rights to several technology products that can measure microscopic cracks in metal structures. The company's products have a great need in America, and the management has plans to market these technologies to windmills, antenna towers, aircraft equipment used in the oil industry, and obviously other metal structures. Now let's get right into our headline news from Wednesday. Gold prices surged to a record yesterday, closing to within $5 of the $1,000 milestone as a combination of record high oil prices and the continued devaluation of the dollar brought buyers back into the market. Oil surged yesterday, rising a remarkable $5 a barrel to a new record over $104 after the government reported a surprise drop in crude oil stockpiles and OPEC held production levels steady. Most analysts had expected the Energy Department's Energy Information Administration to report oil supplies rising last week for the 8th straight time, but instead they fell by 3.1 million barrels. The markets opened this morning with the Dow up 41.19 points, or 0.34%, the Nasdaq up 12.53 points, or 0.55%, and the S&P 500 also up 6.95 points, or 0.52%. And now let's take a look at the small cap news that Quality Stocks has been tracking for you. Small cap headlines are brought to you by QuoteMedia Incorporated. QuoteMedia is a leading data provider of financial stock market data, market news feeds, and related financial software solutions to financial service companies, online brokerages, clearing firms, banks, and public corporations. The QualityStocks.net daily newsletter would like to highlight BioForce Nanosciences Incorporated as our one to watch, closing at 65 cents with over 19,000 shares traded. BioForce Nanosciences Incorporated announced this week that Frost & Sullivan highlighted the Nano Enabler molecular printer and called it a disruptive technology. The underlying meaning and interesting story behind this piece of news really is the meaning of disruptive technology. Osteologix Incorporated closed at $1.27. Osteologix, whose lead product NB S101 recently successfully completed the 12-week evaluation process in its Phase 2 clinical trial for the treatment of osteoporosis, believes that NB S101 increases formation of new bone and decreases loss of existing bone. Osteologix further believes that NB S101 will provide patients with greater convenience and fewer side effects than drugs that are currently approved for treating osteoporosis. KCM Holdings Corporation closed at 11 cents with over 325,000 shares traded. KCM Holdings operates as a strategic business development and holdings company, which specializes in a range of business development, operational planning, business communications, and media technologies. KCM Holdings Corporation announced plans for the expansion of the Institute for Strategic Brand Leadership, an exclusive in-house venture that teaches KCM's proprietary business development, strategic planning, media, and marketing strategies for small businesses. And that's it for our newsmakers today. Stay tuned right here to the Quality Stocks Daily Newsletter for the latest news and commentary from small cap to large cap, and you guessed it, everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great day, and we'll see you again right here tomorrow on the Daily Report.